Hi, welcome back. And if you are new here, welcome to Green Forex Academy, helping traders become more profitable. In this video, I want to show you how this strategy is making me pips, how this strategy is making me money from the market. Here we have this strategy in place. We have rule number 1, rule number 2, rule number 3 in place. We can see at this point we have a signal, a sell signal. So I have two trades here. I have Euro USD and I have GBP USD. Here we're looking at Euro USD 1 hour time frame. As you can see this here, I'm making over 60 pips from the entry point. Over 60 pips. I'm making like 63 pips right now at the moment. The price went as far as 68 pips, but at the moment the price is 63, 64 pips. So you can see here I trailed my stop loss from the top here below my entry point, so that eventually if the price goes against me, I have nothing to lose. I'm going to close the trade in break even. But this is a good trade. As you can see, I'm looking forward to hit my target. So if you want to trade and make money from the market, make sure that you follow the 3 rules. Make sure the rule number 1, rule number 2, and rule number 3 are all in place. The reason why some traders find it very difficult, even with a good strategy, is because they don't follow rules. Learn how to follow the rules. You will see yourself making profit from the market. Now I'm going to dive into a plain chart where I'm going to show you this trade clearly. So this is a plain chart. Now in this plain chart, it's a live trade. We have Euro USD and GBP USD. In Euro USD, I'm making 25 euros. In GBP USD, I'm making 18 euros. So these two trades are live trade, and this is how I am making profit trading with this strategy. I dive in here on a plain chart so that you can see it clearly, but I always make use of the rule 1, rule number 2, rule number 3 to make profit from the market. And I do this on a daily basis. If you want to try the strategy out, then you can click on the link below and you will see for yourself trading this strategy. You will see yourself making money from the market.